Hello, today we're going to do a quick video on how to set up a Google Classroom in case you do not remember. So we're going to start off with our normal Google screen like we have, just a search screen. You're going to go to your app squares. You're going to find Google Classroom, which is in the square you should already have installed. You're going to go to your Google Classrooms. Now, if you have Google Classrooms that are already shared with you, that are created by the district, you can just accept them like I have here. I could just accept to be the teacher. If you don't, then you're going to go to Classes over here on the left-hand side, and you're going to create. Now, you can actually see all the classrooms I have, or I can just create a new class. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to hit create a class. Now, to do this, you're going to create from scratch. I could create my class name. So I want to have a pretty standardized way of naming my classes. So I'm going to name them first Hooten, our first period, Hooten. And then section would be first again. And it might be Algebra 1, if that's what I was teaching. If that's in the subject again, I might put Algebra 1. And this actually gives you some drop downs now. So I can actually put Algebra 1. Now, if I'm in a building where my room number is important, then I might actually want to put room 208 so that they can find me. That way, if the student is looking at their Google Classroom to help them find their classes, they can easily use that to help them. Now, once I've done that, it's going to actually give me it's going to take a minute and it's going to create my class for me. So now I can see that my classroom that I've created is populating over here as the class that I've created. It's still kind of thinking over here, but you can see that it started to show up over here. Now, it gives me ways to add students, so I can easily do that. But that is the basics on the step 1 of your task, is to create a Google Classroom. So there you go. That's your remediation video. Hope it helps. Thanks.